Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. Chia seeds, scientifically known as Salvia hispanica, have gained immense popularity in the health and wellness community for their impressive nutritional profile. Native to Mexico and Guatemala, these tiny seeds were a staple in the diet of ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations. Cultural and historical significance. Chia seeds have a rich history, dating back to ancient civilizations. The word chia itself is derived from the Nahuatl word chian, meaning oily. These seeds were a vital part of the diet of Aztec warriors, providing sustained energy and endurance. Nutritional content. Despite their small size, chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They are rich in fiber, providing both soluble and insoluble fibers. Additionally, chia seeds are an excellent source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Versatility in culinary use. One of the remarkable features of chia seeds is their versatility in the kitchen. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like substance, making them suitable for creating puddings, jams, or as an egg substitute in baking. They can also be sprinkled on yogurt, added to smoothies, or incorporated into salads for an extra nutritional boost. Modern-day superfood. In recent years, chia seeds have earned the title of superfood due to their exceptional nutrient content and health benefits. They have become a popular choice among those seeking to enhance their diet with natural, nutrient-dense foods. Chia seeds are like tiny nutritional superheroes. Here are 10 health benefits to make you appreciate them even more. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Despite their small size, chia seeds are packed with nutrients like fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, phosphorus, and various vitamins and minerals. Number 2. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. Number 3. Blood sugar regulation. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making chia seeds a good choice for those managing diabetes or aiming for consistent energy levels. Number 4. Weight management. Chia seeds can absorb water and expand in your stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness. This can be beneficial for those looking to manage their weight by controlling appetite. Number 5. Digestive health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Number 6. Hydration support. Chia seeds can absorb a significant amount of water, helping you stay hydrated. This is particularly useful for athletes or those with an active lifestyle. Number 7. Bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential minerals for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Number 8. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help protect your cells from oxidative stress and may contribute to a lower risk of chronic diseases. Number 9. Brain function. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds support brain health and may contribute to improved cognitive function and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 10. Versatility in cooking. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into various dishes, such as smoothies, yogurt, salads, and baked goods, making it convenient to enjoy their health benefits regularly. Remember, moderation is key, and it's essential to include a variety of nutrient-rich foods in your diet for overall well-being.